Over 300 billion web application and API attacks were recorded globally in a single year, with APIs now among the most targeted interfaces. As AI systems increasingly depend on web apps, APIs, and third-party data sources, this exposure makes AI risk harder to manage. To address this, the NIST AI Risk Management Framework 1.0 provides organizations with a structured approach, with AppTrana supporting relevant controls to govern, map, measure, and manage AI-related risks. The framework begins with governance. Under Govern 1.4, organizations are required to establish and sustain transparent risk management practices that support their strategic risk priorities. This is reinforced by Govern 1.5, which requires continuous monitoring and scheduled evaluations, along with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Building further, Govern 1.6 requires organizations to put mechanisms in place to inventory AI systems and allocate resources based on risk. The framework also addresses risks introduced by external dependencies. Through Govern 6.1, organizations must define policies to address AI risks stemming from third-party entities. This is complemented by Govern 6.2, which focuses on contingency planning for disruptions or security events involving external AI systems or high-risk third-party data sources. Beyond governance, the framework requires risks and controls to be formally recorded. Under MAP 4.2, organizations must recognize and document internal risk management measures across all parts of the AI system, including any third-party AI technologies in use. Measurement is addressed through Measure 1.2, which requires regular reassessment of metrics and control effectiveness, and Measure 2.7, which focuses on assessing and recording the security and resilience of the AI system using relevant security metrics and incident logs. Finally, the management function brings these elements together. Manage 1.2 requires organizations to focus risk treatment on AI threats based on severity, likelihood, and response capacity. Alongside this, Manage 4.3 requires incidents and errors to be tracked, documented, and communicated from identification through remediation. This is where AppTrana WAAP aligns with the NIST AI Risk Management Framework by discovering exposed web assets and APIs, continuously scanning them, and protecting them in real time, with AI Shield adding another protection layer for AI-driven interactions. Through SwyftComply, vulnerabilities are autonomously remediated, while automated scanning, penetration testing, risk-based reporting, and auditable zero vulnerability reports support governance, measurement, and ongoing risk management. Because managing AI risk depends on securing the interfaces AI systems rely on, continuously, not periodically. For more insights on website API security fundamentals, subscribe to our newsletter in the link below.